Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap and welcome to this video. So today in this video I'm going to talk about eligibility criteria for NABARD grade A examination. See students, we know that आप में से कई सारे लोग ऐसे होंगे who are targeting NABARD 2024 but you do not have exact idea regarding eligibility criteria and you might be skeptical कि with my age whether I'm eligible or not, then you are like कि इसके लिए कोई experience चाहिए, educational qualification क्या होनी चाहिए. So to cater all these query I have come up with this video, and through this video I'll try to provide you each and every details regarding eligibility criteria for sitting in NABARD grade A examination. But before starting this video, I have a quick announcement that EduTap has launched a comprehensive NABARD guidebook for you. This is your one-step solution to all your queries regarding NABARD and NABARD examination. Not only that, it will also provide you the previous year questions and syllabus, and on top of that, it will provide you the sources and strategy to clear this NABARD grade A examination, and all that too for free. Yes, you can avail this guidebook for free, and for that you have to go to the description box, click on the link, register yourself and avail this guidebook for yourself. So with that informative announcement, let's start our today's video. So the very first question that arises in any aspirant mind, that what is the age eligibility criteria for sitting in any examination, right? Because few of you might be in the colleges and you are thinking कि you should become you should target NABARD grade A and you are aspiring to become NABARD grade A officer in the future, but you are skeptical कि with your age you are eligible or not. Then again, few might of you have already prepared for so many other examination and you might have done your PhD, and again you are skeptical ki with my age whether I am eligible or not. But if we talk about age eligibility criteria, so NABARD has given it more than 21 years and less than 30. ठीक है, तो if you are someone who is falling in this age criteria, then you are eligible for this examination. Now the next question with this arises कि how can we calculate that according to NABARD we are under this age criteria. So for that, how can you calculate? NABARD always releases a date. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आप 2024 के लिए टारगेट कर रहे हो तो 2024 के नोटिफिकेशन में NABARD आपको एक डेट देगा. उस डेट से यू कैन कैलकुलेट विद रिगार्ड्स टू दैट डेट यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट कि वेदर यू आर फॉलोइंग इन दिस एज क्राइटेरिया और नॉट. ठीक है, इफ यू आर समवन हु इज फॉलोइंग इन दिस, इफ यू आर समवन जो आपने अभी बैचलर्स कर रहे हो या फिर अपने यूजी में हो, एंड अगर आपने पीएचडी कर लिया है, अगर आप इसको कैलकुलेट करते हो और आपकी एज इस के बीच में निकलती है, then you can easily sit for this examination. So now ये तो रही अनरिजर्व कैटेगरी की बात, बट फॉर अदर कैटेगरीज यूजुअली एज रिलैक्सेशन मिलता है, तो क्या NABARD एज रिलैक्सेशन देता है कि नहीं? सो लेट्स सी दैट, एंड यस देयर इज अ एज रिलैक्सेशन क्राइटेरिया फॉर SC, ST, OBC एंड PWBD aspirants. So what is that? For SC, ST aspirants there is a relaxation of 5 years. Then for OBC aspirants there is a relaxation of 3 years given by NABARD, and similarly for PWBD aspirants relaxation of 10 years is given by NABARD. So अब अगर if you are aspirant who is belonging to any of these category, then you can check this age relaxation, you can calculate your age, and then you can easily sit for this examination. Clear? So now the discussion was regarding age criteria. Let's move ahead and see that what is the educational qualification required to sit in this examination. So students, usually we tend to think that NABARD is an agriculture and rural development bank. So do we require a bachelor's degree in agriculture? Do we require any specific post graduation or degree in agriculture? So the answer for this is no. You just require a bachelor degree from any subject. So now students, see, there is no specific degree required unless and until you are sitting for a specialization post. ठीक है, so in NABARD there is two kind of posts that is released. One is journalist post and another is specialist post. So specialist post के लिए you require specific degree, but if you are someone who is not belonging to that specific category, like for example agriculture specialist की post है, तो वहां पे आप बैठ नहीं सकते अगर आपके पास BA या फिर बैचलर्स ऑफ आर्ट या बैचलर्स इन बॉटनी ऐसी कुछ डिग्री है, राइट? बट देयर इज अनदर पोस्ट रिलीज विच इज जर्नलिस्ट पोस्ट, जो कि किसी भी बैचलर्स के लिए एलिजिबल है. Like for example, see, if you are someone who has done bachelor degree in any subject, be it zoology, botany, any subject from any recognized university, and you have achieved aggregate of 60% in your bachelor degree, then you are eligible for sitting in this NABARD grade A examination. So अब इससे क्या पता चलता है कि कोई भी with bachelor degree having aggregate of 60% can sit easily in this examination. Clear? Then if you have done in the PG degree, like you have done post graduation, for that you required 50%, 55% marks aggregate. और if you have done PhD, तो उसके लिए कोई marks criteria नहीं है, you can just simply sit in this examination. So now students, you can see that there is no specific requirement regarding your educational qualification. ठीक है, simply any bachelor degree can, any bachelor can sit in this examination. Just criteria is that, just condition is that you should have aggregate of 60%, or if you have done PG then there is a 55%. So see students, यहाँ पे दो और क्यों दिया गया है, basically अगर if you are someone bachelors में आपके किसी वजह से 60% aggregate नहीं है, बट पीजी में आपके 55% या उससे अबव परसेंटेज है एग्रीगेट, सो देन ऑल्सो यू कैन सिट फॉर दिस एग्जामिनेशन विद योर पीजी डिग्री. क्लियर? सो दैट वाज रिगार्डिंग द एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन. Let's discuss few more things regarding this. So now what about if I am eligible for more than one post? Like for example, if I have done bachelor in agriculture, so I am eligible for agriculture specialist post as well as I am eligible for the journalist post. So can I apply for both the post the vacancy? No. So answer here is no. You have to just decide and just apply for any one of the post. ठीक है, either you have to go for journalist or you have to go for specialist. ठीक है, अगर नाबार्ड को multiple applications receive होती है आपके end से, then they will accept only the last application. ठीक है, last application जिस भी post के लिए आपने भरी होगी, they will accept that, and उससे पहले जितनी भी application है that will get rejected. So इसका मतलब है कि आपको एग्जाम से पहले ही डिसाइड करना है, नोटिफिकेशन देखिए कि you have to then and there decide that whether you are going for specialist or journalist post. Clear? Now for PWBD aspirants, ठीक है, there is no relaxation in qualification, educational qualification if you are someone who is belonging to unreserved category, but age relaxation we have seen already. NABARD has given 10 year of age relaxation. Clear? Then what about your degree? What about your qualification? That should be completed. So NABARD gives a date every year in the notification, and before that date you should have your degree in your hand. ठीक है, आपके पास उस डेट से पहले आपकी डिग्री आपके हाथ में होनी चाहिए. If you have that thing, then you are eligible for this examination. Clear? So now these are the few important things that often arises in any aspirant mind regarding the educational qualification. So now let us discuss about some few frequently asked questions that students tend to ask us, and I think that is important to be discussed. So first question is, are final year students eligible? I have already told you, I have already given the answer of this question, that if you have your degree in hand before the date that is given in the NABARD notification, then yes, you are eligible. Clear? Then is distance education valid? So often many aspirants, they are not doing regular education, they are taking some distance education. तो क्या वो valid है? Yes, that is valid. NABARD accepts that. ठीक है, so yes, it is valid. Next is post graduation necessary? So again, I have already given the answer of this question, that you should have either bachelor's or post graduation or PhD. राइट, आपका बैचलर्स में 60% चाहिए. अगर 60% नहीं है, देन यू, इफ यू हैव पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन, देन 55% और उससे अबव. बट हाँ, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन इज नॉट नेसेसरी. इफ यू हैव जस्ट डन बैचलर्स ओनली, देन ऑल्सो यू आर एलिजिबल. देन मार्क्स टू बी ऑब्टेन इन ईच सेमेस्टर और एग्रीगेट. सो मीन्स ये जो 60% मार्क्स हैं, ये आपको हर सेमेस्टर में चाहिए या फिर ये एग्रीगेट होना चाहिए. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज टॉकिंग अबाउट योर फाइनल मार्कशीट. ठीक है, आपका जो फाइनल एग्रीगेट है, that should be 60% and above. Clear? Now with that, let's end this session with a very big question, that is there any experience required? So students, no, there is no any experience required. NABARD do not ask for any experience. Just you have done the bachelor's degree, NABARD says कि you can just sit on this examination and we are happy to welcome you. Right? So कोई experience नहीं चाहिए इस एग्जाम में बैठने के लिए. आपने अगर बैचलर्स की है, आप just, you can see your eligibility criteria, you can refer to all all the things that we have discussed in this video, and you can start preparing for this examination. Clear? Now students, if you want to prepare with us, so we have gold course and silver course for you. In gold course, we provide the content regarding phase 1, phase 2 and interview. Then in silver course, we provide the content and preparation regarding your phase 2 and interview. So any one of you can refer according to your suitability. See, in silver pack, you have the benefit that if you are someone who is good in quants, reasoning, English, and you don't need the content for नॉन मेरिट सेक्शन, तो आपको यहाँ पे फेज 2 के साथ फेज 1 के लिए ESI, ERD एंड GA एडवांस एडिशनल मिलता है. दैट इज द बोनस थिंग फॉर यू. ठीक है, अगर आपको कॉन्स रीजनिंग इंग्लिश भी चाहिए, आपको सब कुछ चाहिए, देन यू कैन गो फॉर द गोल्ड पैक एज वेल. सो दैट वाज रिगार्डिंग आवर कोर्सेज. So students, at last, if you don't want to buy courses and you want to rely on our YouTube channel, then YouTube में भी हम काफ़ी सारी classes लेते हैं. So you can subscribe our channel for that. And also, if you want to download the PDF regarding NABARD and NABARD examination, you can join us on our Telegram channel. So that was all for this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you so much.